Hi, it's Andrea from Envision Partnership. Today I'm going to talk about credit notes and when to use them. Credit notes are what we use when an invoice has been supplied to a client, but then something happens to change the amount. Once an invoice has been sent to a client, we cannot make changes to that invoice. So this is when we would use a credit note. So if, for example, goods have been returned or a new price agreed, we need to credit the difference between the invoice and the new total. So I'm going to show you how to raise a credit note. So first, we're going to head to Business and Invoices. And in our first example, I'm going to credit a whole invoice. In this case, I'm going to go to Awaiting Payment, and I'm going to go to City Limousines, who bought a book. Now, they've returned the book, so I need to credit the whole amount of £19.95. And to do this, I go to Invoice Options, Add Credit Note. And Xero automatically fills in all the details for you. So it's very quick and very easy. And as you can see, it's filled in the details, the amount, and it's automatically allocated it to that invoice. I click Approve, and that's done. And you can see on my invoice, there's the credit note and the amount due is £0. And when I go back to my invoices and awaiting payment, I can see that that invoice has disappeared. Now, sometimes you might need to credit part of an invoice. So if I click into Marine Systems, we supplied them 4 marketing guides. The customer then decided they only wanted 2. So I need to credit 2 of the marketing guides. So I do it exactly the same way. Invoice Options and Add Credit Note. Now it automatically credits the whole note invoice. So I just need to change the amount to 2. So this changes the amount to £198 and puts it automatically against the invoice. So I approve the credit note. And as you can see, the credit note has been allocated and the amount due is now £198. So these credit notes are very simple to raise. And as I mentioned, invoices should not be amended. You should always use credit notes if the invoice has already been sent to the client. If you have any questions about credit notes, do give me a call.